Right now, billions of living things cover your skin. You feel nothing. Your hands, your phone, your coffee cup, all crowded with invisible life. For thousands of years, nobody knew this world existed. People got sick, even died from enemies they couldn't see. Then, one curious man cracked the mystery wide open. And here's the strange part. He wasn't even a scientist. Welcome to Microbiology Videos. Meet Antony van Leeuwenhoek, a cloth merchant from Delft in the Netherlands. No degree, no lab, no scientific training at all. What he had was relentless, almost obsessive curiosity. As a draper, he used lenses to inspect cloth quality. But he wondered, what else could these lenses reveal? So he started grinding his own tiny glass lenses. These lenses could magnify objects over 200 times. His microscope was tiny, smaller than a modern phone. Just one powerful lens held in a metal plate. Grinding lenses this precise took incredible patience and skill. Could you grind 500 lenses by hand? Comment below. And here's a secret he took to his grave. He never told anyone exactly how he made them. His lenses stayed unmatched for the next 2 centuries. With this tool, he was about to change everything. One day, he placed a drop of pond water under it, and the water was alive, swarming with tiny creatures. He called them animalcules, little animals. Remember that invisible world on your skin? He found it first. Then he got curious and looked at everything. Rainwater, blood, even the gunk scraped from his own teeth. In his dental plaque, he found tiny swimming bacteria. Yes, the same little creatures living in your mouth now. He saw blood cells, sperm cells, and muscle fibers. He was mapping a universe nobody knew existed. He wrote letters to England's Royal Society of Scientists. Their reaction? Pure disbelief. This sounded impossible. A self-taught draper claiming invisible animals everywhere? Nobody believed the outsider with the wild idea, so they sent experts to verify his strange claims. They looked, they saw, he was completely right. The outsider became a fellow of the Royal Society. Curiosity beat credentials. Every single time. But his real impact came centuries later, because his little animals held a deadly secret. Those microbes? Some of them cause disease. Later, Pasteur and Koch proved germs make us sick. This became germ theory, the base of modern medicine. It's why we wash hands, sterilize tools, and use antibiotics. That single drop of pond water saved millions of lives. Vaccines, antibiotics, food safety, all built on this. Every time you stay healthy, thank that curious draper. That's why we call him the father of microbiology. So here's your real takeaway from his story. You don't need permission to be curious. No degree, no fancy lab, no title required. The biggest discoveries start with one simple question. So what invisible thing are you curious about? Tell me in the comments. I read every one. Enjoyed this? Hit like and subscribe for more. Share it with one curious friend. See you next time.